welcome back to Pune Food Factory. So today we are going to explore this Jesus Eatery, which is a multi-cuisine restaurant, and this place is located at Kothrud. Don't worry, I'll put the details in the caption below. But before we start exploring this place, I would like to mention three main aspects about this place. So the first one is, of course, safety measures and all the social distancing parameters they have been following. Second, it looks like a cafe, but it is actually a restaurant where you will get everything right from chai to start your day and a whole meal to end your day. And the prices are pretty reasonable because everybody could afford it. And last but not the least is ambience. If you look at their ambience, then there is everything either unique or antique, and I'm sure you are going to love the ambience of this place. And one more thing is, I would like to introduce you guys Mr. Saoji Chicken, who is going to tell us a little bit about this place. So tell us, sir, that how did you come up with this idea and why did you come up with this idea?
Jesus Eatery was our dream. We wanted to give Kothrud people a different variety of cuisine. Second, our motto was to be a most hygienic place where teenagers or a family person can really enjoy the food. So, focus is on the food quality, cleanness should be completely hygienic, which we are trying. You can see, most important aspect is we are all homemade masala.
Okay, so all the masalas are homemade and like Indian spices.
When we say that we have handmade masala, we make it for them and then we serve it to the customers. So the taste is in that. Specific dishes like Saoji, people who like the authentic stuff, we try to provide them.
So the masalas are hand-crafted. So what about the recipes? Like how have you developed the recipes?
So the recipes, as per the demand of our clients. While doing the survey, what we did is we asked nearby people what are their likes, what they eat, and what we can do. Looking at this area, we have maximum of IT and the local street stores. So we have cut out cuisine as per the choices and the likes of this stuff.
So I can definitely suggest you guys this place, and I'm sure a lot of you must be tired of being at home for such a longer time. So don't worry, this place is gonna open with a dining facility from 8th of September. So consider visiting this place. I'm sure you are gonna love it.